Hi guys, it's Josh here, also known as Yoshi Bear J. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to gain more reach using your lookalike audiences. Again, this is a new feature that Facebook has come out with. I'll be showing you guys how to use it so you can implement it in your own marketing strategy. So let's get into the video. So guys, there's another change that I've noticed in the Facebook Ads Manager. If you haven't seen it, then Facebook is probably still rolling this out. But it's basically giving us the opportunity to use our lookalikes to reach wider audiences. So even though we put our lookalike audiences in there, by just switching on a setting, it's going to enable us, it's going to basically show our ads beyond that lookalike audience. It's still going to have constraints such as the exclusions and stuff like that that we put in order to create that lookalike audience, but it's still going to show our ads beyond that audience if it believes it will bring better performance to our ads. And guys, I'm going to show you. So let's go into this campaign, for example, right? Actually, let's create a new campaign. I'll create a sales campaign and then click continue, turn this on. I just want to want to show you, which is in the ad set level. So I'm going to go to the ad set level. I'm going to click next here to get to the ad set level. Now we're in the ad set level. Now, guys, you obviously got your normal stuff, you know, the conversion location, where you basically want the conversions to happen. Is it the website, the app, etc., right? Then obviously you got to select your pixel and so on and so forth, as you would making a normal Facebook ad. But guys, look at what is interesting here. In this custom audience section right here, they've made an extra change, and I'll show you. But first, I want to show you, it's very similar to what they did with the interest. Because guys, you see in the interest, let's go to detailed targeting. So click edit in here. This is detailed targeting, right? But can you see, even though we put interest in here, like, I don't know, footwear, for example, you can turn this on. And here it says, reach people beyond your detailed targeting selections when it's likely to improve performance, right? So basically, by switching this on, you basically give more freedom to the algorithm to find people who are going to convert or do the objective that you're trying to achieve for your business, right? Just by switching this on. And what I've seen is that by switching this on, given that you have found a performing interest or more, or found certain audiences that perform well, and by turning this on, we give it more reach, that sometimes leads to more performance. So there's benefits to turning this on. And this is just for cold, right? So this is for targeting people who have never been in interaction with your ad. They don't know about you. This is the first time they're getting in contact with your brand, your business, etc. Right? So by turning this on, there's benefits to it. And I've seen the performance. There's benefits to it. But what Facebook have done, they've also done it in the custom audience side. But they've only done it for lookalikes. And I'll show you. Guys, in here, I'm going to choose one of the lookalikes. Let's choose one of the lookalikes here. All right, cool. We've got a lookalike here. But guys, as soon as I put that lookalike audience in here, look, advantage lookalike. Reach people beyond your lookalikes when it's likely to improve performance. So the same thing that is happening here in the detailed targeting is also happening here. So that means that in our custom audiences, which are more data-based, based on the data that we've collected, because as you can see here, this is based on the data of Instagram savers, or people who have saved Instagram posts, right? So I've created a lookalike audience of people that look like the people that save Instagram posts. But by ticking this, I'm basically saying to Facebook, hey, Facebook, obviously reach beyond if you feel that it's going to bring more performance. However, there are still constraints with this, because if you click here on the eye, it says expansion allows us to reach people outside your selected lookalike audiences. Expansion won't go beyond the age, the gender, the language, or the location selections in your ad set, and doesn't apply to audiences that you are excluding. So, say you do a lookalike audience in here, and you choose the age and the gender, it's not going to go beyond the settings here. And it won't go beyond the settings that you've put into here. Because as you can see, I've created this lookalike audience as US, so it's a United States audience. So it's not going to go beyond that, right? But by doing this, it enables the algorithm to have more freedom, which I think is amazing. This is definitely something that a lot of us should be using, and including as part of our Facebook campaigns, especially since there's a lot of talk about, oh, lookalike audiences don't work anymore. Why this is definitely worth testing, especially since iOS 14.15. It's really about broader audiences. Being broad brings better performance. That is what I've seen since those changes. Guys, I love it. Like, I love the fact that Facebook is actively making these changes, which makes sense. A lot of their advertisers are small, medium-sized businesses, so they're doing their best in order to make changes, in order for us to use them, for us to get more results with our ads. Yeah. So guys, if you're doing lookalike audiences as part of your campaigns, definitely use this. Right? So you can give the algorithm more freedom to find more results for you. Right? So guys, I just wanted to make you guys aware of that change. For those of you who still haven't seen this, don't worry, Facebook is still rolling this out. They tend to do this all the time. They tend to roll things out. In some accounts, you can see it. In other accounts, you can't see it. But don't worry, be patient, keep checking. And once it's there, use it. So guys, as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys in your business. I hope you got a lot of value out of this. Guys, if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, marketing, guys, go to the link in my description. I have free courses there, as well as paid courses. Feel free, get stuck in, guys, yeah? But guys, as usual, I'll be coming back with more value to help you guys. Take care.